Yiba Kids. Hi! In this step, we're gonna read and memorize 3-letter kindergarten words. Some of them are not nouns and different to read. That's why I separated it from 3-letter words. Again, follow my yellow star wand. Let's go and start reading. And are 8 can did eat fly had has her his may new not out she sky the was why yes I'm so happy. You finished it all. You can now practice simple sentences or leveling up to the next step words with 2 vowels. Video link is in the description.